Healthcare is more than just a career. For many, it is also a calling. And that's true now more than ever, especially here at Nebraska Medicine. I'm Kayla Thomas, and today I'm here at Bellevue Medical Center, where we're learning more about the medical surgical unit and jobs available here. Joining me is Meg Cordes, the nurse manager for the unit.
Hi, Kayla. How are you today?
I am doing great. I'm
Good.
happy to be here. It's an honor to be here among people who are working so hard. And we need more of these people. So we want to learn more about this unit specifically and what people can expect if they want to work here.
Absolutely.
So first of all, tell me about the kind of patients that you see here. It's med surg for short, right?
Yep, it sure is. So it's a medical surgical unit. What I love about Bellevue is that we really see all types of patients here. So anything that comes through our emergency department or through our surgery department or maybe direct admissions from physicians in the community, come here. Our medical surgical unit is on 2 floors here at Bellevue, our 3rd floor and our 4th floor. Both floors are exactly the same, and patients can get admitted on either floor. So we see medical, surgical, appendectomies. We see a lot of total hip joint replacements. We have a lot of orthopedic population here. We are a certified chest pain and stroke center, so we see those types of patients here. We monitor heart rhythm, so we are a telemetry unit as well. It's really a wide variety of patients. It's not service line oriented like some of the units on our sister main campus, so you really get tons of different experiences. I feel it really helps you grow as a nurse to have all that different experience.
I think one word that I've heard used to describe this unit is fast-paced. So
Yes.
what type of person would succeed in a role here?
Well, we have lots and lots of opportunity for nurses and care techs to gain that valuable initial experience. We have new graduate nurses, but we also have a really wide variety of also experienced nurses that really just love the community environment here at Bellevue. It is a fast-paced environment. We can admit up to anywhere from 10 to even 20 patients a day and discharge that many as well. And so it is very, very busy.
What skills would somebody need to succeed in this environment? What are you looking for in a good staff member?
Really, we as an organization do a fantastic job onboarding all of our nursing staff and our care techs here. I feel like one of the things that Melanie, the other manager that manages alongside me, and I really look for is something that really incorporates our values here at Nebraska Medicine. Our innovation, our teamwork, our accountability, excellence, courage, healing, and our culture. Those people, that are positive, excited to be here. Healthcare is hard today, and so really for us, it's really just that person that has a passion about caring for people and really is kind and positive. We will teach you everything you need to know because that's what we do here, but we really look for those people that embody our culture and our values.
Somebody who's looking to maybe get into nursing for the first time coming out of school, or somebody who's maybe looking to get back into nursing right now, who feels a call to come back, they might be interested in patient ratios.
So we have standard med surg telemetry patient ratios here for our nursing staff. Our day nurses take 1 to 4 to sometimes 5 patients. We really work to keep that at 4 as much as possible. And then at night, our nurses care for 1 to 5 to 6 patients. That's really standard throughout the organization, and our team takes those same ratios. We also have care techs on the unit that support our nursing staff, and they will take anywhere from 1 to 8 to maybe 10 patients, just depending on the night or day and what we have available.
And it's those patients that they can make a huge impact on their lives on that day.
Oh, absolutely. I am humbled every day at the resilience and the hard work of our staff. They are amazing. Even through the toughest of days, something will happen and it just warms your heart at the care that they receive and the thanks that our patients give us.
Speaking of thankfulness, I think our community is so thankful for our healthcare workers right now. Obviously, COVID is putting a huge strain on resources. How are you doing? How are your nurses doing? How are your care techs doing?
It's really, through all of this, and most of my experience has been on main campus. I love main campus. I love Nebraska Medicine. But I live in the Bellevue community. This is where my home is, and I have really enjoyed being here at Bellevue. And although we are a small community hospital, we have been impacted by COVID as well. And our nursing staff, our leadership, everyone here, our multidisciplinary teams, really have been feeling a lot of stress from COVID. There's no doubt about it. I think being that small community hospital, we're able to support one another. We love community support in the way of really prayer. Just maybe notes of thanks has been really helpful.
I think that we've seen that a lot from our community. The people reaching out to us through our social media sites,
Yep.
wanting to know what can we do. So you mentioned prayer, notes of thanks. Any other message you would have at the community for this time about what they can do to support our healthcare workers?
I just think continue to do what you're doing. Understand that is really, us wanting to care, take the best care of our patients. I would say stay safe. Ensure you're doing all those things that not only that we recommend through Nebraska Medicine, but that everyone else in healthcare is recommending by masking, social distancing, not being in consistent close contact with people, that, especially those you don't know or aren't familiar with. All of those things that keep you safe.
All right, Meg, thank you so much. I think that just the people that we've seen here today in passing show that camaraderie on this unit. So if people are interested, they can go to nebraskamed.com/careers. We appreciate your time today, and thanks to all of you for watching.
Thank you. Bellevue's amazing.